Well, here is the family of Sizzix brand products, and this is where it started, the original Sizzix machine. I have one, and I'm sure you have one too, and we all love using our original Sizzix. Right here, we have the Sizzix Big Kick, and this is the newest addition to the family, and it comes with the multi-purpose platform that we all love to use. And over here, we have the Sizzix Big Shot. Now, I'm sure you're looking at all the different dies, and I bet you even have a collection of your own, and you're wondering, can I use these dies with all the different machines? Well, the answer is yes, with one exception. The Biggs die right here, the Sizzix Biggs die, was designed to fit the wider opening of the Big Kick and of the Big Shot so that you could create bigger projects like cards and boxes and other types of designs. Now the opening to the original Sizzix is a little bit smaller, so this particular die will not fit into the original Sizzix machine. Now, like I said, you can use all of the different colors of dies that you have in your Big Kick, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do. I'm going to make a sandwich right now. I bring up the cutting pad, and I'm using a medium and a small die from the original Sizzix family. And I'm just placing my paper onto the images, and then I'm going to cover that and complete my sandwich. Insert that into the Sizzix Big Kick and roll. And as I'm rolling, we get a wonderful cut each and every time. Look at the butterfly. This is what I love so much about the dies. It's always more than what you see. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pieces from one die and a beautiful sun. You're going to have so much fun being able to use all the different dies from all the different families. Have fun, be inspired, be creative with Sizzix.